In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save custom effect presets in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you find yourself repeating the same color grade, blur amount, or audio tweak across multiple clips, creating a preset will save you time and keep your projects consistent. We'll walk through applying an effect, customizing it to taste, and then saving it as a reusable preset with the right behavior for different clip lengths. Start by selecting a clip in your timeline, open the effects panel and search for the effect you want, something like Lumetri color for grading, Gaussian blur for softening, or an audio EQ for tonal shaping. Drag the effect onto your clip. You'll see it appear in the Effect Controls panel as part of that clip's stack. Now fine-tune the settings. With the clip still selected, go to the Effect Controls panel and adjust the effect's parameters until you're happy with the look or sound. For Lumetri, you might tweak exposure, contrast, and temperature. For Gaussian blur, set a blur amount and quality. For audio EQ, shape the frequencies to reduce muddiness or brighten dialogue. Play a few seconds to preview changes and make small adjustments rather than big swings. Subtle moves usually blend better. If you're stacking multiple effects, note the order in the Effects Controls panel, since that can change the result. Once it looks or sounds right, save it as a preset. In the Effect Controls panel, right-click directly on the effect's name, not an individual property, and choose Save Preset. This ensures the entire effect, along with its parameters, is captured. When prompted, give your preset a clear, descriptive name. Think about where you'll use it, like cinematic warm tone.